हम पता करें ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, हमारी क्लासेस और उनकी क्लासेस में डिफरेंस क्यों है। तो मुझे बच्चों ने जब बताया कि एक्चुअली क्या होता था कि मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट जाने से पहले सेकंड शिफ्ट आती थी, तो स्वीपर्स वगैरह की सफाई, उनकी स्ट्रेंथ कम होती थी। तो मुझे बच्चों ने ऑब्जर्व करके बताया कि मैडम उनकी क्लास अच्छी इसलिए भी होती है क्योंकि उनकी टेबल पर, उनके टीचर की टेबल पर एक टेबल क्लॉथ होता है। तो आई पिक दैट, ओके, हम भी रख सकते हैं। तो हमारे पास ये डेली लाइफ से रिलेटेड मैंने एक प्रॉब्लम पोज की। ओके, तो टू मेक द क्लासरूम मोर प्रेजेंटेबल, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, द सजेशंस आर वेरी। बच्चों ने कहा कि हम रूम डेकोरेट करेंगे, फ्लावर्स लाएंगे। उसी सीरीज में ये हमारा टेबल क्लॉथ का आइडिया आया। देन आई सेड ठीक है, हम भी क्या करते हैं, टेबल क्लॉथ लाएंगे। तो सबसे पहले जो बच्चों का आया कि हम रेडीमेड लाते हैं। तो मैंने मना करा, कुछ बच्चों ने मना करा कि रेडीमेड नहीं होता, बिकॉज उस पर जो टीचर के टेबल पर व्हाट दे सा कि वो एक दिन छूट गया था सेकंड शिफ्ट के। तो बच्चों ने जो मुझे था इसमें कुछ पेंट था, लेसेस लगी थी। तो स्टार्ट किया गया कि ठीक है हम भी ऐसा करते हैं। अब हमारा प्रॉब्लम हमने पोज किया, टू मेक द क्लासरूम मोर प्रेजेंटेबल यू हैव टू मेक अ टेबल कवर with lace around it. Then we have decided to collect money from those students only who voluntarily can contribute. Maximum amount what we fixed for each student, it should not be more than ₹10 कि जो देना चाहता है वो करेगा। यहाँ से हमने फिर जो स्टेप हमारा पहला आया प्रॉब्लम बेस करने के बाद में, डिफाइनिंग द टास्क। अब जो क्वेश्चन बच्चों से आने शुरू हुए हमारे पास में, जैसे मैंने पहले स्टेप कहा कि पहले हम बजट एलोकेट करते हैं। देन ये क्लास फिफ्थ की बात है, फिफ्थ सी। देन दे आस्क मी व्हाट इज अ बजट। तो अगर हम जब डेली लाइफ में चल रहे हैं या उससे कोरिलेट कर रहे हैं, तो ये क्वेश्चन जो मेरे सामने आए, तो मुझे कुछ कुछ लगा कि मैडम जो कह रही है उसमें फिट हो रहे हैं, तो मैंने वही क्वेश्चन फिट किए। व्हाट इज द बजट पहले क्वेश्चन था। देन डिस्कशन के बाद है हाउ मच मनी ईच चाइल्ड हैज टू कंट्रीब्यूट। वो हमने फिक्स कर दी कि हम ₹10 ले लेते हैं। हाउ मच क्लॉथ विल बी यूज्ड फॉर इट। अब मेन बात थी कि बच्चों को ये आइडिया देना कि क्लॉथ कितना होगा। what can be done to make it more presentable, just हम एक टेबल क्लॉथ वहां डाल देंगे। और what we should do to make it more presentable, if we put the lace across the cloth then how much lace we may need to buy, then where to get it stitched, lace लगेगी कैसे, what will be the approximate cost of getting it stitched। तो प्रॉब्लम पोज करने के बाद में फर्स्ट स्टेप पे हमारे पास ये आ गया, हम डिफाइन कर दिया गया है कि ये कैसे कैसे होगा। नेक्स्ट आता है बिल्डिंग का, नेक्स्ट आ गया हमारा स्टेप टू कंसिडरिंग वेरिएबल्स, यानी कि व्हाट मैडम हैज सेड अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग सेशन, गैदर इंफॉर्मेशन, मेक assumptions एंड डिफाइन वेरिएबल्स रिलेटेड टू द प्रॉब्लम। तो जो वेरिएबल्स हमारे पास आ रहे थे, फिगर आउट प्राइस ऑफ क्लॉथ एंड लेस। इन दोनों चीजों के लिए हमें दो वेरिएबल है, कितना लेस, कितना कपड़ा हमें चाहिएगा, डिपेंडिंग ऑन हाउ मच वी नीड। तो क्वेश्चन हमने लिया फिर वहां से कि कितना कहाँ चाहिए, जिस चीज की हम करने चाह रहे हैं हम उसको देख लेते हैं। इन रिलेशन टू प्राइस ऑफ क्लॉथ एंड स्टिचिंग, अब उसको थोड़ा बहुत हमने इनको गाइड किया कि हमेशा हर कपड़े का सेम ही रेट नहीं होगा, लेस का सेम रेट नहीं होगा। तो वी हैव टू डिफाइन ए रिलेशन कि हमें कितना कपड़ा और स्टिचिंग कितनी होगी। फाइंड द टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ मनी ईच चाइल्ड शुड कंट्रीब्यूट। बेशक हमने ₹10 कर दिया था, पर हमने वेरिएबल डाला था कि मे बी आपको 10 भी ना देने पड़े, मे बी हमें 11 या 12 पे देने पड़े। मे बी ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि कुछ बच्चे की नहीं कहा मैडम मैं ₹20 भी दे सकता हूँ। तो हमने एक बैरियर तो वहां जरूर लगा था कि 10 से ज्यादा तो हम नहीं लेंगे, बट हम डिपेंड करेंगे इस चीज के ऊपर। उसके बाद आया कि कपड़ा कैसा होगा, क्योंकि जैसी बच्चों की नॉलेज थी वो उसी तरह से बता रहे थे। डिस्कशन की ठीक है, तुम डिस्कस करने के बाद मुझे बता देना कि कैसा होगा। देन व्हाट शुड बी द प्रपोर्शन ऑफ क्लॉथ एंड टेबल, कि अब नापा कैसे जाए, हमें कितना चाहिएगा। इस तरह से हमने इसमें वेरिएबल दी। थर्ड हम आ गए थे बिल्डिंग अ सॉल्यूशन। ऑल्दो एट दैट टाइम व्हाट जो प्रोजेक्ट मैंने लिया था उस समय बच्चों ने जो किया था, उसमें हमने ये आपने जो टर्मिनोलॉजी व्हाट यू गिव आज सुबह जो आपने दी, वो हमने अभी इसमें फिट की है कि हम इसको यहाँ सेग्रीगेट करते हैं। तो ये एक ऑल्दो बच्चों ने जब सोल्व किया था तो उस समय की जो रेट थे वो थे कि जस्ट है कि बिल्डिंग का सॉल्यूशन कैसे किया गया था। प्राइस ऑफ क्लॉथ, 3 तरह के जो बच्चों ने मुझे 2-4 दिन में ला के दिए थे कि कोई बता रहा था ₹75 पर मीटर है, ₹100 पर मीटर, ₹80 पर मीटर। इट मीन्स हमारे पास एक वेरिएबल के लिए अलग अलग हमारे पास उसकी प्राइस आ रहा था। सेकंड फिर ये डिसाइड करना कि टाइप ऑफ क्लॉथ इज डिसाइडेड। इसमें इस वेरिएबल को डिसाइड करने में मुझे ज्यादा करना पड़ा। वो चीज मैंने बच्चों पे छोड़ी थी इस साइड के लिए, क्योंकि उनकी नॉलेज के अकॉर्डिंग कॉटन क्या होता है, प्लेन, प्रिंटेड या रेडीमेड। कुछ बच्चों ने कहा कि हम क्यों ना मैडम इतने में रेडीमेड आ जाएगी, आई हैव आस्क्ड माय मदर, शी इज सेइंग कि वो लोकल मार्केट से मैं लाके दे दूंगी। फिर बच्चों ने कहा नहीं, क्योंकि ये हमारा क्लास है, अटैचमेंट वाली हमने उसको फीलिंग लाइक उनके एट्रीब्यूट ये वाला भी होना चाहिए, नॉलेज भी आ रही है, प्लस साथ में उनके इमोशंस भी होने चाहिए कि किसी भी काम को करने के लिए आपके नॉलेज और प्लस आपका इमोशन, उसका आपका एट्रीब्यूट किधर चल रहा है, आप कितना करना चाह रहे हो, मन कितना है। इसलिए वो वाले उसको रेडीमेड को मैंने कैंसिल करके कि हम इस तरह कर लेते, ऑल वर एग्रीड, सारा ग्रुप हो गया। फिर आई कॉस्ट ऑफ लेस, लेस की आप ढूंढ के लाइए। यहाँ इन बच्चों को थोड़ा आई कि इन्हें लेस क्या होती है, पहली बात तो वो दिखाई गई, बताया गया। उसके बाद में टाइप ऑफ लेस क्या होती है। प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि बच्चे आके बता रहे थे कि ऐसी लेस देखी, ऐसी लेस देखी, बट कोई डिफाइन नहीं कर पा रहा था। तो एक स्मार्ट सी लड़की थी, व्हाट्स रीजन, वो मार्केट में, मैंने उसको समझाया कि हम मार्केट में जब भी जाते हैं तो हमें रैपो भी तो बिल्ड करना होता है वहां की, भैया ये दिखाइए वो दिखाइए। शी वॉज वेरी एनफ स्मार्ट। वो गई और वहां से 3 छोटे छोटे टुकड़े ले आई, उस पे रेट भी लिख के लाई और उससे रिक्वेस्ट करके कि भैया, उसको उसके कॉन्फिडेंस में लिया। मार्केट स्ट्रेटेजी वो सीख रही थी कि हम आपसे ही लेंगे, और इस तरह से उसने वो 3 रेट हमारे पास लाई। इट इज डिसाइडेड, फिर ये हो गया कि हमारी जो टेबल है उसमें जो हम कवर बिछाएंगे, टेबल से साइज थोड़ा बड़ा होगा लेकिन वो हल्का हो जाएगा, तो हम उसको डबल करेंगे, डबल साइड से फोल्ड करेंगे। इसीलिए 1 मीटर की टेबल के लिए, ये एक एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ कि हमें, यानी कि जितनी उसकी साइज था उसका मेजरमेंट से हमने डबल ले लिया। पेंसिल थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर दीजिए स्लाइड को, यस। फिर उसके बाद आई कि कैसे, किस तरह से किया जाएगा, टेलर कितना पैसे लेगा, बात आई सिलेगा कौन, स्टिचिंग करके सम गर्ल्स डिसाइडेड कि मैं अपनी मदर से कराऊं, या अपने आप तो हमने स्टिचिंग को, उनको नहीं आता था, मदर को मैंने किया। तो देन अ बॉय सेड, एक बच्चे ने कहा कि मैडम मेरे घर के पास जो पेड़ है ना, वहां पर एक टेलर बैठा रहता है, मैं उससे पूछ के आऊं। देन दे कलेक्टेड, 2 लड़कों ने आए, उन्होंने हमें रेट ला के दे दी थी। ये जो 30, 25, 15 है, ये मैंने अब लिखे हैं इसमें। एट दैट टाइम ये शायद 6-7 साल पहले की बात है। तो जो भी उनके रेट थे, हमने इस तरह से काम ये किया था। हमारे पास आ गए टेबल की। उसके बाद कॉस्ट ऑफ टेबल क्लॉथ आ गई। अब हमने स्टिचिंग चार्जेस को मिलाकर एक टेबल हमारी बन गई है। इस तरह से नीचे हमारे पास ये टेबल आती चली गई, और हमने डिसाइड कर दिया कि अगर हम एक ये वाला क्लॉथ लेते हैं, इतने वाली स्टिचिंग करते हैं, तो हमारे पास 3 तरह की हमारे पास आ सकते हैं कि कॉस्ट हमारी कितनी पड़ेगी। जब हमारे पास ये पोस्ट आ जाती है, तो उसके बाद कि हर एक बच्चा, कितने बच्चे वॉलंटरी उसमें कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं, उसके हिसाब से हमने कैलकुलेट कर लिया कि हमें हर एक बच्चे को कितना कंट्रीब्यूशन देना है। सर हाँ, फिर नेक्स्ट आ गया, अब हमारा जो फोर्थ स्टेप है, ये मॉडल हमने बिल्ड कर लिया, हमने प्रॉब्लम बेस करी, हमने इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर करी, उसके बाद हमने मॉडल किया, फिर हमारा नेक्स्ट स्टेप आ गया। अब इसको हमें एनालाइज करना था, जनरलाइज करना था कि अब हम इस चीज को क्या करेंगे। उस चीज को मैंने इसमें यूज किया कि ये विंटर्स खत्म होने वाली थी, ये तब की बात है, तो हमारा लास्ट में 5th में चैप्टर आ जाता है एरिया एंड पैरामीटर का। तो आई यूज द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू इंट्रोड्यूस यूज ऑफ टेबुलर रिप्रेजेंटेशन, जो कि डाटा हैंडलिंग से मार्क्स ने कर दिया था उसमें। उसके बाद आ गया था रेशियो प्रोपोर्शन भी इसी में आ गया, और सबसे बड़ी बात थी एरिया और पैरामीटर, कि हम टेबल का, हमें जो लेस लगानी है, हमारा टेबल क्लॉथ तो हो गया, डिसाइड हो गया, लेकिन उसके चारों तरफ लगाने के लिए हमें लेस कितनी चाहिए, उसके लिए हमारा कंसेप्ट यहाँ पे डेवलप हो रहा था कि हम पैरामीटर निकालें। उसी के हिसाब से बच्चों ने
मैडम कैन आई इंटरप्ट यू?
यस श्योर मैम।
2 क्वेश्चंस आए हैं, देखो चैट बॉक्स में। What was the purpose of the list? What cost of
Actually,
the...
Jaya
Yes,
ma'am, they
yes,
can finish it, and any other members of group also can answer, but
Okay,
maybe she can finish and then, yeah.
fine, fine, fine.
ओके। जो हमने ये लगा दिया था कि अपना कंसेप्ट हमने डाल दिया, सबसे लास्ट में था कि हमें एवेल्युएट तो करना था कि जो हमने काम किया है वो वर्दी भी है या नहीं है, उससे बच्चे ने क्या सीखा या क्या उसके लायक था उसमें। तो उसमें हमें दिमाग में जो हमें शुरू से हमने रखनी थी मोस्ट, जो फॉलोइंग करते कि इकोनॉमिकल होना चाहिए, ड्यूरेबल और प्रेजेंटेबल। इसको मैंने जो क्लासरूम सिचुएशन से क्रिएट किया था कि मैंने अपना मैथ्स का एक कंसेप्ट ले लिया था उसमें, जो उसकी डेली लाइफ में कभी भी उसको प्रॉब्लम, जो कहीं ना कहीं एरिया या पैरीमीटर या आगे की, उसमें कहीं ना कहीं ये वाला कंसेप्ट उसको यूज होना ही था, होता भी है। लेकिन जिस समय वो आती है, उस चीज को बच्चा डेली मैथ्स से कोरिलेट नहीं कर पाता है, उसको लेस चारों तरफ लगाने में शायद कभी भी ये पैरामीटर उसको ध्यान नहीं रहता था। उससे हमने कोरिलेट करके ये एक करवाया था प्रोजेक्ट। तो आपकी सुबह वाली बात से लगा कि शायद ये चीजें यहाँ फुलफिल हो रही हैं। दैट्स व्हाई आई प्रेजेंट इट हियर। नेक्स्ट ये हमारा गेम्स का था, तो मैं चाहूंगी मेरे कोई दूसरे टीचर रिप्रेजेंट करें इसको ग्रुप से। अगर आप कहें तो हम इसको रोक के पहले उस पर डिस्कशन करते हैं, या हम इसको भी होने दें एज यू से। मैं इसको रिप्रेजेंट कराएं पहले या? हेलो हेलो हेलो, शायद मेरे नेट में मुझे आवाज नहीं आ रही।
आपकी आवाज तो आ रही है मैडम, उधर से आवाज नहीं है।
अच्छा अच्छा,
साउंड इज कमिंग।
अब कंटिन्यू कीजिए मैडम।
ये सर गेम्स के लिए किया था उपेंद्र सर, इनको शायद
नेगी सर,
नेगी सर।
जगदीश नेगी सर।
हाँ,
Excuse me, sir. SN has left the meeting. Sudha, Shweta Nayak has left the meeting, I think.
ओके।
Just a moment.
नेगी सर,
Shweta ma'am, are you there? I don't think she's there. She's left the meeting.
यस मैम।
And let me call her.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Yes, sir. Okay, you are audible.
Yeah, Harman, Shweta Nayak madam has left the meeting.
Okay. Okay, sir. May I
So what
start
do
to
we do?
present it?
1 minute, Mr. Harman. Harman,
Yes.
Shweta Nayak madam has left the meeting. She's not picking up her call.
Okay, maybe that some connectivity issue.
So what do? We go ahead. It's for her to listen and give the opinion.
We should go ahead with that because
Srinivasan sir.
Srivasan sir is
Srinivasan
busy with
sir.
other work.
Srinivasan sir.
He is busy with other work.
Okay. Then let's go ahead then. We'll not waste time. Yes, proceed, sir.
Okay. Thank you, madam.
नहीं सर आप।
Thank you. There is some net connectivity problem in my area today. So if it breaks, I would like to request Upenji to kindly keep out this slide presentation. So this is a maths game, tug of mathematics. Here we have divided the group into two parts. ये group जो है ये homogeneous भी हो सकते हैं, heterogeneous भी हो सकते हैं. That's mean it can be of boys and girls. It can be mixed, and there is no testing of strength of the these children. in this, we have divided the group into two parts. We have divided the class into two parts, and we have marked some line on the floor, on the ground. Now the game start. We will show them flash card or master card, and there will be simple mathematical process in this flash card or master card, like 3 into 6, 5 into 2. At a time, we will take only one maths process. So the group which gives the answer first will take one step ahead. तो जो ग्रुप पहले आंसर देगा और उसका आंसर सही होगा वो एक स्टेप आगे आ जाएगा. You can see boxes there in the picture also. So the game will go in this way, or the group who cover the most boxes will be the winner. और इसमें one more thing, if the group gives wrong answer, then he will move one step backward. It is a game for second and third class. This is the game I tried to make in this way.
Gwalior, you're done with?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I request a request from our side. Please don't exceed the time limit. Within the time limit of 10 minutes, try to explain all your activities. Otherwise, everybody will be delayed. We have no objections. It's for you. Okay. Next, Harman, which group? Mr. Harman?
Yes, can call any group. Madam, you are there now, so that I'm busy with other work. You can call Bhubaneswar also, any region. Bhubaneswar.
Yes, next Bhubaneswar. Carry on. Bhubaneswar, Ziyad Bhubaneswar, please present.
Okay. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir.
On behalf of Jit Bhubaneswar, I'm going to present the scenario problem that was given to us.
Welcome back, ma'am.
Sorry about that. I live near BRC and they have some jam or sometime or internet is here. Sorry.
Now Ziyad Bhubaneswar is presenting.
Okay, as far as the scenario problem is concerned, this problem is actually taken by considering the pandemic situation right now. Because in this problem, the students will need a lot of help of their parents. So as the parents are with them. Presentation visible, ma'am?
Not it.
I can see it. It's in the corner of the window. I can see the presentation.
Yeah.
Okay. So, yes, the problem is that the students are shifting their house, and they will have to shift every item of their house to the new place. So this will be the problem given to the students. And in the second step, as we have 5 steps of the scenario, they will gather information and they will define the assumptions and variables. In that, they will initially they will make a list of things which are to be shifted, and which vehicle will they use for shifting the things, they will decide, and how much a vehicle can carry in a single trip, that they will find out with the help of their parents. And what can be the budget of shifting, how much.
Sir, but we are not able to see any presentation on the screen.
It is seen as a small screen, like one of your screens.
Okay, I am presenting it.
Present
Okay, I am presenting once more.
Sir, now we are able to.
Is it visible now?
Yes.
Yeah.
This is the problem that that will be given to the students. Okay. So these are the information that the students will need to gather. And in the third step, they will build the model, means they will estimate how much the things weigh which need to be shifted. In this tabular form, they can do the find out the total weight for shifting.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ 3 ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ.
Hello.
Sudha Ramesh madam, mute your mic.
Then comes the analysis part. They will analyze if the total weight of the items to be shifted fit in the carrying capacity of the vehicle, and if the vehicle has to make more than one trips for shifting all the things, then what will be the budget of shifting, and in that way they will also analyze the cost efficiency of the budget. And finally, in the evaluation part, they'll find out if the shifting is within their budget or not, and if it is not in their budget, they may consider hiring a larger or a smaller vehicle as per their requirement. So these things can be followed for in this scenario, madam. Hello. Hello.
Yes, you are audible, sir. So are you done with your presentation? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
I think the one that I was speaking in the morning, the problems that lie on the border of social and mathematical dilemma, I think one of your problem is on that boundary. It's very difficult, the problem that you have chosen. Mainly
actually,
because,
madam, similar problems are there in the book also. In class 4 book, similar problems are there.
No, I think it's very interesting that you chose something with the situation. So I'm not saying that it's what I'm saying, it's a difficult problem that you chose. It's not an easy one. In the current pandemic, there were many other issues around migration and shifting and things like that, which are more political sensitive. So those are there. You chose the problem of weighing weights and shifting. So that could be generalized to any other situation as well, that what is the capacity of a vehicle. I think it's an interesting physics math question also. How the capacity of vehicle is decided. How do you know how much you can put in this vehicle and it won't break or things like that. So there is a lot of scope of questioning and blurring the boundaries between social, mathematical, physical sort of world. But when the problem is so complex, the teacher preparation has to be much more complex. That is what I was saying. It's not an easy, straightforward problem where there is only math answer to it. So good problem. I am not sure when you will get to teach it, but if you ever do it with students, I would be very interested in listening to what happens. So
okay,
if you do it, please be in touch with me. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. And the next part, as long as the games part is concerned, Bandana my madam will present that. So over to Bandana my madam.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
On behalf of JET Bhubaneswar, I'm going to present the games or the puzzle part. Is the screen visible?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. So I have chosen that Pentomino puzzle game, and for this game, I have to clear the idea about what pentominos are. Then first I will ask the children what pentominos are, and make them understand that pentominos are made by joining 5 squares, so that at the joints, one side of a square fully joins with one side of another. There are 12 possible arrangements in which 5 squares can thus be joined to each other. Hence, there are 12 possible pentominos. And then I will ask them to collect materials to prepare different pentomino shapes, such as they may take a square grid paper or chart paper or colors or pen, and such type of pentomino shapes they may form. And it is written number 1 to 12, all the shapes are of 5 squares. 5 squares. Here we can ask questions to the children that to find out the area of each pentomino shape, and they will find out that the area of each pentomino shape will be 5 square centimeter, as all the pentominos are made up of 5 squares only. And in the second part, we may say that all the pentomino shapes are of different letters of English alphabet. Those are T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, F, I, L, P, and N. And then the students will be asked to find out all the possible pentominos. Let them to cut out these pentominos from card paper or the square grid paper and arrange them in different ways to form different rectangles of different lengths and breadths. For example, this is rectangle number 1, and here we can ask the children to find the area as well as perimeter. And in such a way, I have made some arrangements of these pentominos, and I have made five possible rectangles, and children will be asked step by step that to find out the area and perimeter, and at last we may ask them that what they can see in the above arrangements of in each case of rectangle. They may conclude that from the above arrangements, it has been seen that in all the cases, area of each rectangle remain the same, but the perimeter is different for different arrangement, as there are 12 possible pentominos, and the total area must be 16 square centimeter. Hence, here we can ask the children to find the factors of 60 also, and children may have may asked to arrange the pentomino shapes to have some fun by arranging them to make animals or birds or things. Just so that's all, madam, about pentomino games.
I think wonderful what you did with pentomino. Good job, yeah. The addition thing that you can do is the coming up with 12 shapes using 5 squares is also not an easy task for elementary students. बहुत बार बच्चों को ऐसे लगता है कि suppose you take a L shape and then you take a mirror image of L shape, तो बच्चों को लगता है कि वो दो अलग अलग शेप है. तो ये जो एबिलिटी है ना, स्पेशियल रीजनिंग जिसको बोलते हैं, SPATIAL, स्पेशियल रीजनिंग, जिसमें बच्चे ये सीखते हैं कि रोटेशन, तो इसके लिए भी पेंटोमिनो यूज होता है, जो आप इनिशियली यूज कर सकते हैं कि उनको 12 शेप्स खुद बनाने हैं, आप बताने नहीं है. आपने बोला बनवा के लोगे, लेकिन वो आने में टाइम लगेगा बच्चों को, बट उसके बाद आपने बहुत ही अच्छे से उसको कैरी ऑन किया है. आपने ऑलरेडी चेस बोर्ड के ऊपर वाला पजल देखा होगा, क्योंकि ये 12 शेप्स है और हर शेप 5 स्क्वायर का है, तो 60 एरिया होता है जब भी हम 12 पेंटोमिनो लेते हैं. और चेस बोर्ड 64 स्क्वायर यूनिट का होता है हमेशा, तो उस पर बहुत सारे डिफरेंट पजल्स ऐड किए जा सकते हैं. कि चारों कॉर्नर फ्री रहे, ऐसे ऑर्गेनाइज करो, या बीच का स्क्वायर फ्री रहे, इस टाइप के। वो बहुत चैलेंजिंग है ये दोनों जो मैंने कहे। करने को 1 हफ्ता जाएगा हमें भी। मतलब मुझे एटलीस्ट 4-5 दिन लगे थे चारों स्क्वायर्स खुले छोड़ने के लिए। बट इंटरेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी है, आपने बहुत अच्छे से किया है। गुड जॉब।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, next to Zip Mumbai. Zip Mumbai, ready?
I'll start with, then others will show their game, ma'am.
Sure, sure. That you made it into one big unit, right?
No, that for me it's not opening in WhatsApp, ma'am. That's why I will show it individually, and then the others.
Don't exceed 10-minute times. Please start.
Yeah, I'll start it first.
Start, ma'am.
Yeah. This was the question. Yeah, I thought of taking preparation of cake. So the mathematical problem will be, as if they have lots of preparation, ice cream hai, then avial, and also they have in English. So for that, I thought we'll take cake preparation for 6 people. We'll give maida, estimation, egg, baking soda, essence, whatever. And they have to measure the ingredients, multiplying, divide, less, more, it will be there. Then converting teaspoon, tablespoon, cups, calculating the cooking time, calculating per hour required cooking time, then how many eggs, cups, ratios, and all they will find out. Or it can be this way also, encouraging the students for maths challenge. Grocery will given that rupees 250 for you. 4 items have to be prepared, brought. 3 green vegetable plus 1 any vegetable, condition applied. This can be one solution, either of this. And regarding the games, this is a game puzzle where all the corners coins are kept. You have, the rule is count 1, 2, 3 in a straight line. You can take like this 1, 2, 3, count, remove the third coin. Again, don't start the counting from empty shell. From empty, suppose if this is empty, you cannot count from here. You have to count 1, 2, 3. So you can count the empty shell as second and continue the process, and at last only 1 coin should be remaining. This is the game I have tried, ma'am. So 1 minute. So this is simple game, coin wise game it is. So as it is in the marble also we do it, madam. So 1 coin at a time, and last.
Mala ma'am, your voice is
Sorry. Yeah. From where you have started, 1, 2, 3. You pick up the third one. Again, go back from where you started, 1, 2, 3. So this way, if the rule applies, then only 1 coin will be remaining. This is the game I thought for 5th standard it will be very good. Yes, ma'am.
I think she has left her game. There is some network problem.
Okay. And now, so this was the game. It is very interesting. In a straight line, it has to be followed. With marble also, we keep a disc in the marble is there, a disc is there, and a marble is there. The same type of game it is. It's actually from Hyderabad, one Mangarani TLM, it is there. She is giving us all working models.
Yeah. Her TLMs are very famous.
Yeah, I have taken from there, ma'am. It's very interesting. Anyone else from Mumbai?
Yeah, the second presentation from Mumbai.
Savita madam.
Yeah.
Savita madam, you present.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. So shall I play the game with somebody, or shall I show it only?
You can ask any one person, or you can ask Jaya ma'am only.
Not me, somebody else.
Okay, you start, ma'am.
Within a minute you should finish it, okay?
Okay. I'll do that. Savita, you start.
Okay, ma'am. So here is my mind reader game, and I have made a card which shows numbers from 1 to 20, and you have to select any one number. Please select any one number.
Okay, keep it closer. Yeah, keep it closer so that I can see the number. Yeah, okay.
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 I'll show you 6 different cards, and you have to tell which card has that number and which not. So the first card is this.
It's not there. Not there.
Okay. And the second one?
Not there.
Okay. Next.
Shift, ma'am. No. Yeah, there. It is there.
Okay. Next.
No, not there.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, there. It is there.
Okay.
Yeah, it is there.
Okay. Now I'll tell you which number did you choose. You choose 14.
Yeah, exact, correct. Thank you. Good.
How does it work? I'll show you that also.
Even I thought 14.
Okay.
That's a great coincidence.
18 you thought, no ma'am?
No, that was first time. Now this time I thought 14.
Oh, good. Good telepathy.
Yeah. So these three cards are having the numbers, so I kept them aside. And these 3 cards are not having the numbers, so I just compiled them. And the one window is open, and if I put the main window behind it, it will show the number.
Okay. Good. Okay.
So, the game.
Yeah, so Shweta ma'am has joined back. A
I'm
small
really
window mind
sorry.
game she has played.
Okay,
quick
she played
time.
that good.
Yeah, you can just show those cards, Savita.
Okay. So this was the main card having numbers 1 to 20, and these 6 cards I have made with different windows open, and every card has some numbers.
I know
something
the
number.
game. I know the game.
Yes.
Only thing is, I want to ask: do you understood the logic?
Yes, ma'am. I understood, and I think it's a trial and error game. We can try with different numbers.
No, it's not trial and error.
Not trial and error. It's got a mathematical calculation.
Okay, that is assignment for you. Figure out why this works. Okay. There is a definite math behind it.
Yes.
And you can figure it out. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Next participant from Mumbai.
Jaya ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
nobody did tangram, no? Because Shikha wants to do it. You know
Yeah,
that?
nobody. I don't think anybody did. I don't know about the other regions. Mumbai has not done tangrams.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, next. Quickly go through.
Okay, ma'am, I'll present.
Yeah.
Just give me a minute. Yes, I'll share my screen.
Rashmi.
Yeah.
Next, Rashmi, be ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, design one scenario for your students. So I have taken up a point that children are going to have a fun day in their school on the eve of Children's Day, and a fun fair has been arranged, and they have to be they are going to put a stall, and they have to prepare sandwiches. They decided to prepare sandwiches for their stall. So each team will have 4 members, like one stall will have 4 members, and the 4 members, they will collect 50 rupees each, so 200 rupees. That is the fine budget they have, the total amount what they have. In that only they have to arrange, and the time for the fun fair is 9 to 11, that is 2 hours time is given. Okay, the first one is defining the task. So here, like as the topic was given to them, the different questions what they thought about are like, what are the items required to prepare the sandwiches, the quantity of each item required, and using that many quantity, how many sandwiches can be prepared in the available material. And then finally, what price should we keep for each sandwich for the sale. The second one is considering the variable. Now here, the question is like, they don't know how many people are going to visit the stall. So this was the variable which may change. And the third one is building a solution. Here, then they start thinking of like how many bread packets they want to buy, then how many kgs of the different items what they have to buy within the given amount what they have. And then this planning is going to be appropriate one or not, and if any other point they haven't yet considered, that should come to their mind. And finally, will they be able to manage it also? That is also a very important thing. Now, the fourth point is creating generalized. Then here, I have taken the general thing like teamwork is very, very important, and they are going to have the leadership quality also. They're going to develop that. Then they have to distribute the work among the team members, because preparation and selling should go simultaneously. And side by side, they are going to use the mental maths also here, the calculation part, the addition, the subtraction, the multiplication, what they're going to carry out while selling the sandwiches. And the last one is critical finding whether they had profit or loss when they finish the fun fair, and they calculate what amount they collected. So they will get the answer whether it was a profit or a loss, and also whether their putting a stall was a success, and finally, did they enjoy and learn. So this part I want to say regarding this work assigned to us. And a simple puzzle is there are two trees. Some birds are sitting on both the trees, and the birds on tree A says to birds B that if you give us one, we'll be double of you, and B says to A, if you give us one, we'll be equal to you. So children have to find out how many birds are on each tree. So like this, we can make number of puzzles where we can introduce different topics. So this was the game and the scenario what I wanted to present. Thank you, madam.
Okay, the next presentation is by Rashmi from Ahmedabad. I'm presenting the screen. We'll start seeing the presentation. So this was the question given by you, madam. So that answer I have written. The scenarios question which I have taken is the layout of the house. If you can see here, it is a layout of the house. It is in a rectangular manner. Child can be it can be drawn on a graph paper too. And the questions which I have asked based on this layout is, what is perimeter of entire plot? That one is the easy one. Just to develop the interest, it is easy question. Then what is area of the plot? But if you see here, if you see here, again, if you see in this layout, certain things are missing. If you see here, certain things are missing out here. Lines, the length and breadth both is missing, so that child has to do it on its own. Then the next question is, which room as per you is bigger in the perimeter? So again, the child has to calculate perimeter of each room, leaving aside the parts which are not been shown. Then the fifth one is, so thinking question based on this entire part was, if all bedrooms are of same size. So child has to find out bedrooms area. No changes there in the size of living room and kitchen. So again, child has to say living room and kitchen, and he has to find out the area. So thinking question is, if all bedrooms are of same size, no change is there in the size of living room and kitchen, then by how much will dining area reduce? So child has to find out dining area. So reading competency, observation, calculation, and it is practically in his practical use, because the house where he is living, he will be finding out, he will just comprehend, he will just be able to correlate and connect it with its own living area, and then find out area and perimeter. And then he has to calculate and write the answer. So the next one, if we see here, the simple activity which I have taken is of paper folding. A4 size paper is to be folded 5 times, and then punch the hole in the last folded paper. So if we see here, the paper has been folded first time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, and the last one, a punch has to be made. Then child has to find out how many holes he will get in all. So when he opens the paper, the answer, simple answer, he will give it without thinking. So here again, it is thinking based, and a Tableau chart has been given for A4 size paper. So when we fold A4, it becomes A3, it becomes A2, it becomes A1, and finally A0. So here we can ask them to find out the ratio of the length and breadth. So one activity includes so many things here. And the next one, the game part, the live demonstration I'm giving here of the game.
It's the other way around. A4 will become A5.
Yeah.
So this is the game, live game, which I have conducted. It is based on playing cards. So 2 or 3 playing cards can be given to the children, and then like a musical chair, they will rotate, they will turn, and then they have to add it, mental maths, they have to add and they have to find out odd and even number. 2 cards they've been given, they have to calculate in their mind like this. We can give 3 cards, we can give 4 cards, so that mental maths also can be done, and they have to find out odd and even number, or we can even do skip counting with those cards. This was tried with 7th standard children, but it is possible for smaller children also. So in this manner, the game was been devised. I think so. The concept, I have been able to present my concept.
Thank you,
So I
ma'am.
stop my presentation here. I think so. My game was understood because it is a playing card game, simple one, and child has to just move on like musical chair. We can have addition, we can have subtraction, we can even place values, we can even have odd and even number with that. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, I think simple games are the most powerful generally because you can do many things with them. Good
Yes,
one.
ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yes, next from Mumbai. Mr. Kaushal and Dinesh Meena, you are ready? Mr. Kaushal?
सर आप
Sorry,
म्यूट पे हैं,
क्या?
म्यूट पे हैं आप.
कौशल सर म्यूट पे है आप. कौशल सर आपका माइक म्यूटेड है.
कौशल, क्या मैं आपका प्रेजेंट कर सकता हूँ एंड यू विल एक्सप्लेन?
Hello.
Yes.
Hi, yes, sir. I am presenting, sir. Kaushal, sir.
ठीक sir. Okay.
That is why I wanted you to have in one single file.
Yes, ma'am. It is single and I have done it.
Yeah.
No. Yes. Yes.
Please continue, sir. Quick, sir.
Kaushal, sir, you can explain.
I think you can upload this in the
Yes, sir.
classroom. We'll go to the next region.
Okay, ma'am. We have uploaded in the group, ma'am.
In the Google Classroom, you upload, and you upload in the WhatsApp also with explanations. We will go to the next
Okay,
region. Zeet Chandigarh. Zeet Chandigarh.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, dear. Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Am I audible?
You are.
Okay. So now on the behalf of Zeet Chandigarh, I am presenting the design of the scenario which we have prepared after discussion from 12:30 to 1:30 to 2:30.
Go ahead.
Yes. Is it presentable, ma'am?
No.
Jaya, ma'am?
No, it's not presenting.
No?
No.
Okay,
Share
just a
your
moment.
desktop.
Okay. Just yes, there's some problem with my mouse also today. I'll do it now.
You get ready. Shall we go with Ziet Mysore?
Okay, ma'am. Because some problem with my mouse also.
Wait, it's
I'll do
presenting
it.
now.
It's started. Yeah,
Yeah,
it started now.
Present. Presentation not seen. But
Presentation not seen. It will be, ma'am, net problem. Now?
No.
Is it presentable now?
Okay, if Ziet Mysore is ready, we'll ask them. You get ready with them. Ziet Mysore.
Okay,
Ziet
okay,
Mysore.
ma'am. Okay.
You send across,
Yes, ma'am, we are
Kavita, you
ready.
send across your presentation to somebody who can present. Meanwhile, let Ziet Mysore present. Ziet
Okay.
Mysore.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Ziet Mysore.
She should start. Yes, ma'am, we are ready. Actually,
Please
stop presenting. No, she has to stop the presentation. No?
Kavita, please stop your presentation. Yeah, carry on, ma'am.
Stop, ma'am.
Sure.
I think Nagesh Rao will start, or should I start, sir? Hello?
One of you start, ma'am.
Okay.
Madam, Sunny Sharma will start.
Hello.
Yes, sir, Nagesh Rao, sir.
Sunny is ready? Sunny,
Yes, sir.
please.
May I present,
start.
sir?
Yes, sir.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Ma'am, actually, first question is, मैम ने जो दिया था assignment में for the day, is to solve the city tour problem. तो मैं present screen करूँगा इसमें बच्चों को एक example के तौर पे हम just minute मैम. सर दिखाई दे रहा है स्क्रीन?
यस सर.
हेलो.
जी दिखाई दे.
जी मैम आपने एक प्रॉब्लम दी थी जिस तरीके से गिव रिस्पॉन्स ऑफ ईच ऑफ द 5 स्टेजेस. आपने 5 स्टेजेस दी थी. मैं बच्चों को एग्जांपल के तौर पे एक लाइव एग्जांपल दूंगा बच्चों को समझाने के लिए कि इस प्रॉब्लम को कैसे सॉल्व किया जा सकता है. बच्चों को ये समझाया जाए जैसे व्हाट इज द बेस्ट वे टू गेट योर फैमिली इन वन डे. एक दिन के लिए आप विजिट करने चाहते हैं फैमिली टू विजिट द सिटी वन डे. एक सबसे पास कौन सा है? सबसे पहले आप डिस्टेंस देखेंगे. डिस्टेंस कौन सी है? तो सपोज आई लिव इन द सिटी ऑफ अलवर एंड गो टू द जयपुर इन दिस समर वेकेशन. मैं समर वेकेशन द सिटी विल बी जयपुर. तो वो जयपुर होगी क्यों? क्योंकि वो अलवर से पास में है, 160 किलोमीटर अवे है.
Sir, different slide is being seen, sir. Show the first slide, sir.
Just a minute, ma'am. Is it okay, ma'am?
No, you're still in design info scenario. First slide.
Shweta ma'am, this was for individual work, no, to answer on their own.
Yeah, I think he's almost done. We can hear it. You don't need slides, sir. You can continue speaking and then move on to this. Yeah.
And the city will be Jaipur because the city of Jaipur is 161 kilometer away and both within the state of Rajasthan. जैसा कि आपके क्वेश्चन में कहा गया था कि वो must be within the state of same state में होना चाहिए. टूरिस्ट साइट्स कौन सी हो सकती हैं? बच्चों को ये बताया जाएगा कि अगर आप जयपुर में जा रहे हैं तो सबसे आपको ट्रैवल ज्यादा ना करना पड़े क्योंकि चार्जेस आपके बढ़ जाएंगे. आपका जो बजट है वो 2500 रुपीज लिमिटेड है, उसको भी ध्यान में रखना है. तो मेन हम ऐसे चीजों को ढूंढेंगे द सिटी पैलेस ऑफ जयपुर जो मेन सिटी में है, हवा महल मेन उसमें है एंड आमेर फोर्ट जो कि मेन सिटी से 11 किलोमीटर दूर है, जिससे बच्चे डिस्टेंस भी ना पाएंगे कि कितना दूर है. और हमें 2 बार मील लेना है. तो बेसिकली हमारे पास जो एस्टिमेशन होगा ट्रांसपोर्टेशन चार्जेस इज 1200, वेरियस एक्सपेंडिचर लाइक एंट्री टिकट्स अदर एक्सपेंडिचर 600 and 2 times meal in a day 700, तो टोटल जो हमारा बजट निकल के आएगा 2500, जो कि हमारे बजट में है। अब बच्चों को एक टेबल दी जाएगी जिसके अंदर कहा जाएगा कि प्लेस ऑफ विजिट, साइट 1 हमने क्या विजिट किया, साइट 2 हमने क्या विजिट किया, साइट 3, इस तरीके से उन विजिट के नाम, फर्स्ट हम कहाँ गए, एंड डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल, हमने फर्स्ट कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल किया, टाइम टेकन कितना टाइम लिया, एंड मनी स्पेंड ऑन पर विजिट पे हमने कितना किया। तो टोटल इसी तरह से साइट 1, साइट 2, साइट 3 में हम डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल, टाइम टेकन एंड मनी स्पेंड ऑन पर विजिट का कैलकुलेशन करेंगे, टोटल करेंगे। इसमें आपका एस्टिमेशन आ जाएगा, प्राइस, रिगार्डिंग प्राइस एंड डिस्टेंस का भी हम निकाल सकते हैं। जी, सेकंड था मैम डिजाइन फॉर सिनेरियो फॉर स्टूडेंट। सेकंड क्वेश्चन में था कि मैं ऑर्गेनाइज अ फील्ड ट्रिप टू द ग्रोसरी स्टोर, जैसे कि पहले एक मैम ने बताया था, विद द हेल्प ऑफ द फ्यू पेरेंट्स विद स्मॉलर स्टूडेंट्स ग्रुप्स। सबसे पहले उन्हें दिया जाएगा मेकिंग लिस्ट ऑफ आइटम्स और प्राइस।
आप स्लाइड मूव कीजिए सर, नंबर 4 पे आ जाइए। जी,
उसके अंदर क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, कम्युनिकेशन, कोलैबोरेशन, क्रिएटिव प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस होंगे, जैसे नोट डाउन द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डेट एंड एक्सपायरिंग डेट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट। बच्चे उसमें अंतर कर पाएंगे कि मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डेट और एक्सपायरी डेट में क्या अंतर है, ये क्वेश्चन भी पूछा जा सकता है, और कहाँ वो मेंशन
change the slide, same slide is there.
Is it okay, sir? Is it okay, sir?
It is showing the previous slide only, 1200, 600, 700, 2500.
Just
explain.
ठीक है, carry on.
Any discount on the product? If yes, how much discount will you get in the terms of percentage and rupees? क्या वो कितना अलग है, 5%, 10% और रुपीस में कितना निकल के आता है, तो बच्चे कैलकुलेशन भी करेंगे और डिस्काउंट बेसिस हो सकते हैं। मैम इतना था। एंड थर्ड is a puzzle game which is presented by Mr. Nageshwar Rao sir from Hyderabad region. Please sir.
Okay sir, just 1 minute. आप स्टॉप करिए प्रेजेंटेशन।
जी
आपका प्रेजेंटेशन।
सर जब तक आप प्रेजेंटेशन अपलोड कर रहे हैं, मैं एक कमेंट कहना चाहूंगी।
करने मैडम।
थैंक यू सर, आपने वो जो इंडिविजुअल एक्टिविटी था, जय मैम सही कह रही थी, बट वो करते आपको समझ में आया होगा कि कितने डिफरेंट क्वांटिटीज के साथ एक्चुअली बच्चों को इंटरेक्ट करना पड़ रहा है।
यस मैम,
थैंक यू फॉर ब्रिंगिंग दैट अप। या
Madam, do you able to see this? Hello?
Not yet.
Not it.
Do you able to see, madam?
No.
It is a video, madam. Hello?
Sir, you need to have, for video, you need to have Chromecast, I think.
Previously, I shown in Mysore region, madam. They have seen this. Is it coming?
No, sir, no, it's not coming.
Not coming.
Can I start? It will continue. Yeah.
You should share
So
your
you
screen.
not share the screen, sir.
I
You have to share the
madam.
screen. No, sir.
You are
Screen
not
is still not
shared,
shared. You're not presenting
Okay,
still now.
You present the screen, sir.
Just it is coming. Okay, madam, 1 minute. Entire screen.
Yeah.
Okay, hello.
Share.
Yes.
Yeah. Now it is.
Okay, madam.
Yeah, it's coming.
Full screen. Full screen. You make it.
It's about volumes, madam. Just a small activity on this. Generally, in 5th class, children are having these volumes. So to explain the volumes, instead of drawing on the blackboard and all, simply we can make some unit cubes. What I prepared, some unit cube it is. 1 unit cube it is I have taken. I explained. Yes. I think you are unable to able to listen audio.
Yeah, we are able to, sir.
I am narrating because the actual audio we are not getting. It is 1 cubic unit I have taken. 1 cubic unit. one cubic unit. Then this is second cubic unit. 2 cubic units. We can explain the volume like this: unit cubes, 3 unit cubes or 3 cubic units. 3 cubic units now. Now join one more. It will be 4 cubic units. 4 cubic units. Then it is 3 dimension, madam. In this 8 cubes I arranged here, so children can know that what is the volume of that entire block. Then they count the number of cubes and the total 8 cubes. It means 8 cubic units. The volume of that block is 8 cubic units. Now we can change the shapes. Even while changing the shapes, here we can ask some puzzles also. Number of cubes we can arrange in different, we give number of some cubes and we ask them to arrange in different order. So for example, I have taken one more, total 9 cubes are there. 1, 2, 3. This side 1, 2, 3. That side 1, 2, 3. This side 1. Total how many cubic units are there? So it is 9 cubic units. Just we have to show the top view. Here in 3rd class, 4th class, they learned side view, back view, front view, all this. So we have to show top view. Then they can recognize 9 cubic units are there. Is 9 cubic units. Now we can change the order. We can ask the children to rearrange the cubes in different way. And we can ask them, is there any change in the volume of the total figure? How many cubic units it is? 9 cubic units only. Now we can add some more cubes. Now it gives children to think some critically and easy to concrete. So
okay, sir. I think I just have one suggestion with your
yes,
activity. If I
yes,
am allowed to speak.
yes, yes, please.
I think this is very good visualization.
Yes.
I have a suggestion for language.
Yes.
Because there is a chance that somebody might think that 1 cubic volume is
No.
basically that cube. Whereas we know that 1 cubic volume is when we fill something inside that cube,
yes,
either water or sand, that is going to be 1 cubic.
That's what. First we have to explain about volume. First we have to explain about volume, about cube, and then we can arrange like this. We can give clear concept about 3D figures. That's
And
what.
I
That is
think
my
this
this
activity is very good for telling students that volume can only be measured by volume.
Yes, yes.
Because if you go to a class and if you ask students, how do we measure volume? So they will say
Yes.
length, breadth, and height.
Yes,
But
yes,
length,
that
breadth,
also.
and height does not measure volume. It's just
Yes, yes,
used in the formula. You cannot
Yes.
measure volume using lengths.
Yeah. I
You need a
taken 1
volume to
cubic
measure
unit.
volume. Yeah.
I have taken 1 cubic unit.
Yeah. I
Okay,
think
but-
that is a nice thing about your activity. It clearly says that. Yeah.
Thank you, madam. It's over. Huh? Thank you.
Yes, now we will present, sir.
Now, madam, Ramesh, Sudha Ramesh,
Yeah, we'll present, sir.
be ready.
Yeah, now Smriti will start the presentation, then I'll continue with her, madam. Okay?
Sure.
Yeah. Smriti, will you just start?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah. The question for today was 3 questions to solve the city tour problem and
I
design
can't
one math
see the
program. And yes, it's fine.
Present. I can't see the screen.
Oh, sorry.
Madam, as the time is less, maybe the city tour problem you don't need to present. It was for an individual.
Okay.
So present
Okay.
the other two. Yeah.
Okay, then the scenario, Madam Sudha, Madam, scenario you can present.
Okay. One second. Sorry, I'm present now. Okay. Good evening, madam. We are going to the scenario, this one. Actually, we made a presentation here by critically decision how to do the, and first question it was like this. Then the second one was how to have the scenario. my scenario was this. Once again. Yeah. So whatever starting with the critical thinking communication. So there I started with a business with the initial amount. This was a project we are planning for our fifth standard after finishing the lesson, the fish tail, madam. So here the project was the starting of the business with the initial amount of 5,000. So the children will be given any type of business or any type of mock shop they can construct in the class. So they have to go for the survey first, surveying the type of business they can start. So one of the students started having the plan of having a Pani Puri shop with the amount of rupees 5,000. So how he is going to evaluate the problem faced while starting the business will be discussed, and the planning of the budget will also be discussed here. So that's what it is. Mark that shop will be organized with the amount of 5,000. What is the first action plan? We have to be always having an idea that when you are having 5,000, we should have some caution deposit to make the children to understand whatever one concept that value can be told. If we have all the money, we should not spend it off. We should have something for our reserve. So in order to have that value, here I told, let them have some caution deposit. Then they plan for the things required for starting that business. Then they should remember that by buying things, they should have a limitation that they should have money even to meet their daily expenses. Then they have to fix a rate which they are going to sell something, should have a profit of 5 rupees. So this was the action plan. Building a solution, things required to start the business was they plan to have the frying pan and vessels. They plan to get for rupees 1,500 plates, spoons. All these things were the plan for starting the business. So this was the expenditure. They planned 3,500 rupees for this one. Then the next amount was first what is the amount they are going to have. So sorting out the amount. That's 800 rupees a caution deposit. 3,500 for starting a business or having the things required, and daily expense they plan to have 500 rupees, and they plan that at least 5 rupees should be the profit. So they plan to have one plate to have rupees 25. So when it came to the evaluation, they found that estimating of the cost of making one plate of Pani Puri is going to be rupees 18, and they charge 25. And the profit is going to be 7 rupees. So they learn how to calculate the profit and how to man. So this we have a generalization that read the scenario given to them. Then they critically thinking is required to approach the scenario of how to start a business, how to do the survey, and with this money, what I can do. That planning is very important as a critical way. Then the plan of the action is required. So first they have to go and find out the things what is required. So there the lot of surveying is taking place where the logical thinking skill has been developed and estimation is also developed. The life skill they can hear is logical thinking and estimation is developed. Then they foresee the pros and cons of their actions, and finally they decide and they execute the actions. So this was my presentation, madam. Any suggestion?
No, I think it's a good idea, and I think you chose some topic that I think students also like, something around Pani Puri, and it will also impart some sensitivity in them about how people do business, small scale business and things like that. So yeah, I think good. I want to say to everyone, whenever you try this and you want to share something, I am available. So yeah, same goes to you.
Yeah, I want to share with you the life skills what I developed for each lesson wise.
Okay.
I want to be talking to you, madam. And the game part will be with Smriti will talk about it, madam.
Okay.
This is the game. Smriti,
it's a very simple game. Yeah, I'm started, madam. It's a very simple game. 21 lines. Number of players, 2 players. Things required, a piece of paper and a pencil. How to play? Draw 21 lines on the paper. Each player has to strike away 4 or less than 4 lines at one time. The person who strikes the last line is the loser. I play this game with children, and invariably I am the winner every time I play with them. So then they decide, madam, you played first. That is why we are the loser. Then I told, okay, you try now. And again, I become the winner. And slowly, when you play regularly for some time, they realize there is some technique which helps madam to win. And I was actually surprised. I mean, I actually found that one child came up with the answer, madam, every time you add so that 5 lines go. So finally 20 lines go off and then you are left. I'll be the last one. So I felt this was keenly look at it. And then suppose that is what? I cut 1, they cut 4, 2, then 3. Then if they cut 3, I cut 2. Then again I cut 4 or 3. Then I cut 2. Then they have to cut the last line. So it's a very simple game for first and second standard students. They can actually think and do it. So that is it,
Yes,
madam.
it's also my favorite game. We call it NIM game. And
Yeah.
I think you must have already done
Okay.
extension because it is for 4 and 1. That is why the logic of 5. You could extend it to something like 2 and 3. And you could also extend to some combination where it doesn't work. So I play with 2 and 3, that 2 and 1. You can either cut 1 line or 2 line. But there are some combination for which it will not work. So students also do those extension once they are mastered one type.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you
you,
so much.
madam.
Yeah. Shweta ma'am, have you got time? The only last region has to present, Chandigarh region.
Yes,
I
my
think
meeting is
quickly they
at
can tell in
6.
5
I
minutes
just
time.
messaged them. Yeah, I messaged the other meeting people that I'll join by 6:10. So hopefully.
Okay. So Chandigarh region, will you present quickly?
Yes, Jaya ma'am, I'm presenting, but let Sudha ma'am stop presenting
Sudha
so I
ma'am,
can
please
present it out.
stop presenting. Yeah.
Ma'am, is it presentable now?
No,
Jaya
it's
ma'am?
not presenting. You have to present and share.
Ma'am, I'm sharing it. It has been shared. Maybe it may be taking time due to net connectivity.
Now
I've asked
it is
all my
presenting. Now
students.
it is presenting. Yeah. Yes. Continue.
Okay. It's presenting now, ma'am.
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, it is presenting.
Yes.
I don't think.
Yes. Okay. Then I will start. Okay. Good evening. Good evening, one and all. The scenario which we have decided is the class 5 students of both the sections in the Vidyalaya are going to organize a community lunch on fun day on coming Saturday. And there are 43 and 45 students in section A and B respectively. And we have given some constraints to them that section A will represent North and East India, whereas the section B will represent South and West India. A group of maximum 10 students represent one state. Each section will at least prepare 2 dishes from each part of India, and no student will be left spare. Each state cuisine will be represented in traditional wear by 2 students. The sitting arrangement will be in the form of different types of geometrical figures like pentagon, triangle, square, etc. Whatever they like. All the students will be the part of the shape. No shapes to be repeated more than once. In the pentagon shape, the side should be formed by 5 students, triangle 3 students, and 4 students in square, and it goes on. Remaining students will be arranged in a circle. And at the last, we have made a constraint that each student may be provided with 2 bananas from the school side. And defining the task question proposed by the student, we have how many total number of states and UT in different parts of India, because now it has been changed. Because of Jammu Kashmir has been, so this can be one of the question integrated approach to EVS also, which states to be selected by the different group, who will be the group leader and how, How many students appear after making groups? How many different shapes can be formed? How many students are going to sit in which shape? And how many dozen of bananas are required for all students? Then the variable is to be formed. What will be the relation between the number of students and food to be served? What amount of different food items to be collected? How many bananas to be collected from school? As we have told that the children will be, each child will be given 2 bananas. So they have to calculate themselves. How many students in the different shapes, as we have given the constraints in the design itself, how many shapes are formed, and considering choices between 2 different students for a leader who will be given preference to represent, and that will be done by voting. So building a solution, as there are total 45 and 43 students, the total makes it to be 88. So there will be 8 groups, as we have made a constraint that there will be 10 students in a group. So 8 tens are 80, and then remaining 8 will be representing themselves in the traditional attire. Total number of students equals to 88. Bananas required for 88 students will be 88 into 2. As in the constraint was given that 2 bananas will be provided by the Vidyalaya for each student. So total number of bananas will be 166, and here they can go to find out the dozen. How many dozen comes in 166? If one student is given 1 idli, 1 puri, 1 spoon sabji, half cup pulao, 1 dhokla and 1 rasgulla, they have to find the total quantity required for the total students. That is the number of puris, number of idlis, and goes on. And the number of students in the different shapes for sitting arrangement. As the constraint is that the 4 students will be sitting in a square, in the rectangle, 3 in the triangle, 5 in pentagon, 6 in hexagon, and it goes on. And the remaining, those who are left and we can't make any shapes, then they can be make a shape in a circular way. And it has been generalized that the teacher in the class use this opportunity to test which are the different shapes made by the students, their creativity, and the mental calculations, how they are calculating and how much means if they know hexagonal shape, then they calculate in a very quickly, and use the data to represent pie chart, bar graph on the likes of different item. What part of school ground utilized for sitting arrangement? Critiquing and defining their community lunch, the way how each group perform, the discipline in each group, calculation in case of absentees, because we find some of the students remain absent due to some urgent work or genuine problem. So how they are going to rearrange whatever plan they have done, the quick action plan, was it enjoyable, time required to make different shapes, total amount of food items required, and the teamwork. That's all, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Over, and can we limit the...
Yeah, I wrote a comment about your work in the chat. You can read it later.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Manjeet here from J Chandigarh with game. Ma'am, my game is a simple game. The name is Fun with Numbers. In this game, the student will form the group of 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, and so ever. Okay. So the instruction is the student run in a circle. If they fail to make the group, the student out from the game. Let's say we recite a poem like mountain, fire in the mountain, run, run, run. Fire in the mountain, run, run, run. Make a group of 2. The student will make the group of 2. Suppose that there are 18 students in circle, so they make 9 groups. What we say, the fire in the mountain, run, run, run. Fire in the mountain, run, run. Make the group of 3. the student make 6 group. So 5, and so ever we say the group of 5. So from this game, the student will able to do multiplication, addition, and subtraction also. जैसे group. Yes.
Yes, yes, yeah. And this group is there in most of our cultures. We played this
Yes,
as
ma'am.
a kids also. Yeah, in Marathi and in the same pada. So
यस मैम ये सेकंड और थर्ड क्लास में हम इजीली कर सकते हैं, फर्स्ट में भी कर सकते हैं, बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं मैडम, बच्चे बहुत एंजॉय।
आज जो सुबह हमने डिवीजन के मीनिंग की बात की थी उसमें से यहाँ पे जो मीनिंग है वो है इक्वल ग्रुपिंग, क्योंकि आप पूछ रहे कि 18 में 2-2 के कितने ग्रुप्स आ रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए भी आपने कहा डिवीजन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन दोनों के लिए यूजफुल है।
जी मैम, थैंक यू मैम।
Are we done?
Yes, ma'am. Over, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sudha Ramesh,
yes,
ma'am.
madam. Yes. Yeah, sure.
Please
Respected Shweta Naik, madam. I'm very glad to. I'm from Ziyat, from Bangalore region. My name is Sudha Ramesh Kumar, and I'm very glad to propose a vote of thanks on behalf of our participant. You are enlightened us in the morning. The presentation was excellent and really a very approachable madam, and you are able to guide us properly, and I feel you'll be extending your help and guidance even in the future. And thank you so much. In a busy schedule, you have spent so much time with us, and thank you so much for your kind cooperation and guidance, madam. Thank you once again.
Thank you. Each and every line goes back to you also. Thank you for in your busy schedule doing this, and thank you for doing the task. So yeah.
Shweta,
Yes,
thanks from Srinivasa.
Otherwise, the day won't be complete if we don't hear you.
Especially
Who has managed? Srinivasa जी आप बहुत शांत हो गए। इतना मतलब पता नहीं था आप इतना शांत बैठ सकते करके।
And especially I like to thank Zed Mumbai also, Matt. They have chosen the correct persons for correct topic. It's really excellent, sir. I thank even the Zed Mumbai for enlightening us with beautiful people and interacting with us. Thank you so much.
Entire credit, entire planning goes to our director, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Shweta ma'am.
Thank you, everybody. Have a good evening. Yeah. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
हाँ दोस्तों, फिर हरमन हाजिर हो गया। हरमन हाजिर हो गया आपके पास।
आइए।
तो